Okay, I'm going to teach you how to source for your materials if you're within my location or outside my location. I'm going to give you details on how you can source the materials and how you can build your structure, your magnificent um, structure, castle structure, the easy way. I'm going to teach you how to couple it, how to create the light effect on it, and how to make flowers, sugar flowers as well. Okay, in this tutorial, you're going to learn how to make flower and sugar flowers as well, like what we have here. You're going to be learning all of this. I'm going to also teach you how to sculpt your cakes and how to achieve cake in the castle effect or cake around the castle effect. So this tutorial is loaded. It's something you don't want to miss, okay? You don't want to miss this. It's as affordable. It's something you can keep the videos and always refer to it each time you want to, you need to get an understanding of how you can achieve this, okay? So follow me and see how, and see the cakes we're going to be working on. We're going to be working on live cakes. These are cakes that we're going to be working with. Yeah, we're going to cover this. This is a 24-inch size cake. All this will be part of what you will learn in this class. All these are much more. So hurry now and subscribe to this online class. Don't miss this opportunity. You will not regret it. Thank you so much.